In the modern decorative materials and industrial packing films, honeycomb doors, honeycomb wall panels, whiteboards, and other products are widely used in furniture, construction, advertising, display, and other industries due to their lightweight, high thickness, high strength, and environmental friendliness. What kind of materials will require a honeycomb production line? If you are producing aluminum honeycomb and paper honeycomb doors and thick sheet materials for board laminating, such as HBL, plastic sheet, double-sided laminating, etc., then this equipment is very suitable for you. Now there are 3 kinds of surface material laminating with paper honeycomb board. Let's see the effect. This one is after laminating, and this is the finished product. The PUR honeycomb flat lamination line is driven by technological innovation, providing customers with high adhesion, high efficiency, and low energy consumption lamination solutions, and helping enterprises enhance the competitiveness of their products. Whether it's decorative material that pursue surface aesthetics or industrial materials that require strong and tough structures, the production line can deliver precisely and empower your production.